I want you to look up Canva. On the left side is going to say apps. I want you to look for DID AI presenters and click on generate. Now the second tab I want you to have open is Chat GPT, and we'll get to that in a second. This screen is going to pop up. I want you to click on use in new design, or if you already have a presentation that you create in Canva, you can do that. But for this one, for this example, we are going to click on a new design. Then I want you to go to Chat GPT, click on new chat. And here I just typed in something just for the sake of this example, create me a YouTube script talking about my love for basketball in less than 100 words. And you know, Chat GPT gonna do their thing. Now by this time, the AI presenter should have popped up, and as you can see, we have many different faces to choose from, or you can upload your own face. Now, when it comes down to what should they say, as you can see, we are limited with the amount of words. So that's why for this example, we're going to have a 100-word YouTube script. Choose the language and then click on review speech.
Welcome, friend.
We're going to try a different voice.
Welcome, friend.
Now I want you to go back to ChatGPT and copy what they wrote for you as a script, and then you're going to paste it. You can change the language and the voice sound, but I'm going to click preview speech, and here it goes.
Basketball. For as long as I can remember, I've been in love with this sport.
Once you're done, hit on share. Make sure it's MP4 video. Click on download and you are done. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button because we post videos like this every single day.